Aspen. Good morning, Aspen. Good morning, everybody. All right, it is the day after Christmas. Mail lady's there. We're gonna put Aspen out with the goats. We're gonna light the Christmas trash on fire. Then we're gonna go log some time in the woods. So, not a long day today. Oh, I got a Christmas gift for the vlog. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna test it out a little bit later. So, let's go into the woods.
These lines as you're aiming. Okay, so if you come in on a side cut, use those lines, you have it pointed in the direction you want to felt it.
Okay. Good job, man. Went right where you wanted it to.
Yeah. So.
Good morning again. It is the next morning. Between doing other stuff and Matt deciding that he wanted to cut down some trees randomly for a project that really doesn't need to happen. There he goes again. Morning. Oh, and my camera died because of the cold yesterday, so go figure. I'm gonna put Aspen out with the goats. I'll be right back. Oh yes, nothing like the sound of a chainsaw in the morning. Anyway, we're gonna put Aspen out with the goats. She's been doing really good. She's been introduced to the electric fence. She knows not to test it. So when we're out, we've been putting her out here with them, and that way we're able to keep an eye on her and the goats, and she's getting used to life out here. There's a tree just fell down. So anyway, I gotta go find some gloves so I can help move this wood. Water's frozen. The baby's over there. Need some help, Cricket? There you go. That better? Oh my, the drama. So I don't know if you can tell, but Noelle Sutton, there's Sutton, right there, and Trixie all got new collars yesterday. Did you get a new collar, Noelle? So Dee and I ran into town after we finished work in the woods, and we got them collars, and when we came back, Matt was standing in the driveway staring at the trees. So I could tell that he was thinking about something. Got out of the car, he's like, can you come over here and let me ask you something? So I'm going to show you once he's done with the chainsaw. I agree, we needed to start some progress on this one. It's like, we don't even finish one thing before we start another thing, because you just have to always be doing something. So we have to clean this mess up today because I have to go for a feed run this weekend. Need to be able to drive the truck back here. Okay, so now that he's done with the chainsaw, made a big old mess. You proud of yourself? Sure thing. Okay, so as you can see, we've got standing water here. It's not so bad on this side, but there's a pipe. That pipe right there. How wide do you think that pipe is? 6 inches?
No, that's a 4-inch.
4-inch pipe. That's supposed to be some sort of crappily done culvert. So our driveway starts down there, goes over this, back to the barn or the woods or whatever. So what we're gonna have to do is dig the whole thing out, lay some kind of gravel underneath, lay an appropriately sized pipe, and then fill over it so that what this whole irrigation ditch was intended for will actually function. Because right now, as you can tell,
it's our duck pond.
It's our duck pond. Yeah, the ducks love it. They're gonna be so sad when it goes away. But we're hoping to have this one done probably before next hurricane season, right? Willow Cove Croft now offering Viking funerals. Just kidding. All right, so we've got the driveway clear, just some little stuff on the ground. We can get that or it'll break down a little bit later. So I'm gonna have Corb grab the T-post driver, and we are going to head into the woods to reset the fence line real quick. Shouldn't take us too terribly long. Corbin wants to say something. No, I didn't feed the cats this morning. I started doing the thing before I explained what we were doing. What? No, you gotta keep going, because we'll have to pull the edge out to see where it goes. Corbin's gonna have to cut that tree down. Okay, so here, let me catch you up. I don't have the camera on the stand, but you should be able to pick out the T-post. So we're not gonna do a time lapse. So this is where our permanent fence ends. This is where the new fence line is gonna go, right through that burn pile. But this sort of was bending around that way. So we're gonna take all these T-posts out and create a straight line down there. That way when we tie in the new fence, it looks a little more organized. Corbin's grabbing the chainsaw in his gear because he's gonna cut a path for us. And he's also gonna cut that one scraggly tree, that crooked thing back there. Okay, so I don't have a lot of battery left on my phone, but I practiced for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. And we're gonna see how this goes. Take two. That didn't really work. My phone battery was dying way faster than I expected. Hang on, let me set her up. Helps to turn it on. Socks, what are you doing? The cat's face. She's like, what is that? What is it, Socks? All right, well, looks like the cats are pretty big fans of it. The goats, not so much. But, yeah. DJI. I always want to call them DJIs, but it's a DJI because I have the Osmo, and now I've got a drone. And I think I'm going to try and do a farm tour, which I've never really done. I mean, we walked around and talked about everything, but never really given a comprehensive layout of where everything is. So, thanks for joining on this fun little test drive. First time. Really nervous. I'm scared of heights, so I feel weird doing it. And I also don't want to crash the drone into one of these many trees. So, you guys take care, be safe, and I will get with you next time.